Chè Bà Ba, a creamy South Vietnamese coconut milk-based dessert. What makes it special is a variety of textures. It's packed with cubes of taro, cassava, fruit, chewy tapioca pearls, and beans. Sago pearls, tapioca, green bean, mung bean paste, red bean paste. We ordered two versions, one loaded with a variety of fruits and a side of durian. The second with ban flan, the Vietnamese take on custard along with beans and more. The assembly of the dessert with crushed ice reminded Shri of a certain Thai sweet.
It's like Tub Tim Krob.
This is a Chè Bà Ba Thai style, so it's almost like a Tub Tim Krob. So it's got all the things that would go into a Tub Tim Krob. It's got the jackfruit, it's got the water chestnuts, it's got some sago pearls, and of course the coconut milk that you chill over some ice. If you're on the adventurous sort, well, you can also have some durian that goes along with it.
And just like the coffee thing, the ice will melt into your dessert. So the sweetness gets regulated through that. But if you have the way people have it, that's like you open the fruit, it will...
There's a flavor of the coconut milk in that.
Yeah.
And sweetened, I think, with some condensed milk, I'm not sure.
Yeah, there will be condensed milk always.
And some... Oh, nice. It's got some tender coconut as well. How's the durian?
Very good actually.
I'm going to get some durian also in this. Very pungent. The flavor of durian is like that of jackfruit, but extremely pungent. Almost bordering that fine line between being pungent and, to those who may not like the aroma, well, perhaps being offensive to the nose. I think there's some tender coconut jelly of sorts. I like the manner in which the chilled coconut milk embraces everything. I'm also tasting now the starchiness of the tapioca pearls in that. This is what, tapioca? And then that's the custard, right?
Bun flan.
The bun flan. Very rich, deep in its flavors as opposed to the lightness of that coconut broth. And you also have some red beans in that. This is a dessert that's both refreshing and filling at the same time, right?
It's very refreshing, very light on your stomach.